we'll try to log in as a user, regular. Now we do have two different things here. The first thing is for the RDP, and the second one is for the SSH protocol, obviously. So let's try with web first. Okay, and the connection has been established. Perfect. Then let's close up. We recommend the one that is within the domain. So the second one. Okay, and let's try to connect with your native application. In my case, it's going to be a regular terminal. Okay, we'll have to allow to perform this action, and we're in. I would like to show you a second option as possible. On the bottom, you see a command, and usually you should use your native application or maybe the web browser, but another option is to copy command that contains OTP and paste it to your native terminal app, right? So this is like a second possibility.